Oh, Daddy Lumba. Lawyer of Ghana's global music icon, Daddy Lumba, has issued a public statement informing Ghanaians about the sad news of the passing of a true music legend who had an incredible career spanning over 3 decades. Ghanaian Highlife musician Daddy Lumba died at the Bank Hospital in Cantonments, Accra. Born on September 29, 1964, Lumba's musical journey started in the 1980s and gained momentum with the release of his debut album, Yeye Arka Akwantua Mu, in collaboration with Nana Achiampong as the Lumba Brothers. His solo career flourished afterwards, earning him numerous awards and a loyal fan base both domestically and internationally. Charles Kwadwo Fosu, widely known by his stage name Daddy Lumba, has been a pillar in Ghana's highlife genre, nurturing and introducing many great talents. Lumba's impact on the nation was significant. His brilliant compositions and works have not only entertained but also inspired and uplifted many Ghanaians. Lumba's death is indeed a major loss, not just to the music industry but to the entire country. Many politicians across the political spectrum have extended heartfelt condolences to his wife, family, fans, and the whole country. Known for his distinctive voice, compelling lyrics, and timeless hits, he released over 30 albums and captivated generations with classics such as Abenwaha, Yentia Obia, Playboy, Sir Sir Wo Se, Biribi Gigi Wo, Teresa, and many more. Daddy Lumba's legacy is embedded in the cultural and musical identity of Ghana, having inspired countless artists and left a lasting mark on the country's highlife genre. Daddy Lumba, who also went by DL, is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in Ghana's music scene. Here on Meet Charles Show, we celebrate a true legend. Please leave your favorite Lumba song in the comments section. I want to hear from you, dear.
Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news.